Good morning to all. Let's start the class. Question 3. A jean shirt requires 4 upon 5 meters of cloth. How many shirts can be made out of 48 meters of cloth? Here, what you have seen, what is given, one shirt, its measurement given, and total measurement of the cloth is given. We have to find the number of shirt. See the solution. In the given part, you have to write total cloth is given 48 meter. One shirt is measurement is 4 upon 5 meter. We have to find the number of shirts. So we have to divide the total shirt by the one shirt measurement. That is 48 by 1. Sign should become change, become multiply, divide become multiply, and number get inverse 5 upon 4. Now cut it, 4 ones are 4, 12 times. Now multiply the numerator, 12 5s are 60. Okay, 12 into 5 upon 1 into 1. 12 5s are 60 and 1 1s are 1. No need to write. At last you have to write thus 60 shirts can be made. It's your answer. Question number 4. There are 3 pizzas. Each child will get 1 by 4 of a pizza. How many children will get pizza? Here total pizza is given. One child, its amount of pizza is given. We have to find the number of children. The same process as question number 3. So do it by your own. Question number 5. An aeroplane covers 50 kilometers in 1 by 5 hours. How many kilometers can the airplane cover in 5 hours? See the solution. In the given part, you have to write 1 by 5 hours equal to 50 kilometer. 1 hour equal to, for finding the 1 hour, what we have to do? We have to do the division. So divide 50 by 1 by 5. Here, no denominator, we have to take 1. 50 upon 1. Sign become multiply and number get inverse. Now 50 into 5 become 250 kilometer. In the question we have to find 5 hours. So we have to multiply 250 by 5. It become 1250 kilometer. At last you have to write thus the airplane can cover 1250 kilometers as its answer. Okay. Question 6. A bookshelf in a library is 3 whole 1 upon 2 feet long. Each book on the shelf is 5 by 8 inch wide. How many books will fit on the shelf? Let's see the solution. In the given part, you have to write one bookshelf equal to 3 whole 1 upon 2. It is in mixed. Convert this into improper. The rule is we have to multiply this and then add the numerator. 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 feet. You know that 1 feet equal to 12 inches. So here the feet is given 7 upon 2 feet. So for finding the 7 upon 2 feet, 1 feet is given. We have to do the multiply. So multiply it. 2 1 are 2 6 are 7 6 are 42 inches. Okay. And in the question it is given one book equal to 1 5 by 8 inch. So now what you have seen, both have the same unit now. Now we have do the next operation. We have to find the number of books. You know that for finding the number of books, we have to divide from the total the one part. Okay, that is 42 divided by 5 by 8. Here we have to take denominator 1, sign become divide become multiply and number become inverse. Multiply it, you will get 336 upon 5. Now you have to divide it. What you have seen, the quotient is 67, so you have to take 67. Leave the remainder, no need to take remainder. At last you have to write, thus 67 books will feed on the shelf as its answer. Next question, question 7. The product of two fractions is 12 upon 35. If one of the fraction is 3 upon 7, find the other fraction. See the solution. In the given part, you have to write product equal to 12 upon 35. One fraction is given, that is 3 upon 7. We have to find the other fraction. You know that here is the product, and you know that in product we have to need two numbers in which one is given. So opposite of product is divide. So you have to divide the total by the one that is given. Now first number as it is, sign should get changed, become multiply, number get inverse 7 upon 3. Now cut it, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja. Multiply the numerator, 4 1 ja 4. Multiply the denominator, 5 1 ja 5. So at last you have to write, thus the other fraction is 4 upon 5 as its answer. Question 8. Komal bought 6 upon 7 kg of rice. She wants to put the rice in bags that each hold 2 by 7 kg when it is full. How many bags will Komal need? So what you have to do, total is given, each bag is given, so you have to divide the total by the each as same as question number 3, so do it by your own. Question 9. An English teacher has 4 whole 1 upon 2 hours available to teach in the evening. Each session can last for 1 whole 1 upon 2 hours. How many sessions can be scheduled by the teacher? Here, first of all, you have to convert this mixed into improper in both the cases, and then what you have to see here, total hours is given, each session its hour is given, so total is divided by the each, then you will get the answer, number of sessions, as question number 3, so do it by your own. Question number 10. One bowl of vegetable can be made using 3 upon 4 kg of paneer. How many bowls of vegetables can be made from 6 kg of paneer? So this here what you have to see in here, total vegetable is given and one bowl its vegetable amount is given. So you have to divide the total by the one amount, you will get the answer. The process is same as question number 3. So do it by your own as an homework. Thank you.